So in this video, I'm just going to show you how we can add a few finishing touches to our image to do the back of the card here and a few different tools. So once again, I'm going to use an image that I've kind of grabbed from the web. I'll sort of grab a barcode picture, kind of we can stick on the back there, and we can just use this move tool to size this a little scale just to make it look like it was bought in a shop. Put a barcode on there. And then we're going to use this shape tool over here to just draw a little logo. So black selection there. And last thing, I'm just going to add a bit of text in here. A great big font and things over here in a white font from earlier. So I'm going to change the font to be black. I'm going to bring the size of the font down a bit. And I'm going to go for a much more sort of normal kind of font. To type some text. So let's just start typing. So we're in. It still seems to be white, my text. So let's go in and change the color text to be black. And rest of the word the same. Let's make sure that that's black as well. Our text, we can use the tool to sort of move font. So select all of that text by double clicking in there. I can just bring the size of it down until it fits inside there. Click away, and we've got effect that master. And that kind of finishes off the card, but how I would like it. By default, the file format that is used by Photopea is the PSD file format, and the idea of this file format is it's not really a format that you would use to actually print out a picture, or a format that you would put a picture on the web with. It is used simply for editing packages, and it remembers all of the different layers and all of the tools that you've used. So if you were to open up a PSD file, you can go in and you can kind of move the text around and change the color of the text and things like that. But what we want to do is, well, we want to actually, first of all, so we can do that, we're going to say that we want to do save as a PSD, and that will kind of download it to our area, to probably to the downloads area on your computer. You can kind of see show in folder to see where the default that your web browser will save it to. And that's just got a PSD file, so that in the future we could come back and we can edit this card if we want to. But if we actually wanted to print this out, then what we want to do, or if we wanted to put it on a website or something, you're going to need to choose a format that will be more suitable for what you need. For printing, PDF is probably the most popular one, but if it was an image that you were going to maybe put on a website or something, PNG would probably be the format you're after. And in this case, I think I'll just do that, and I will save this away or export it as a PNG file. It will let you kind of choose some properties about the file and things when you do something like that. Just click on save, and we will have our PSD file there. Sorry, our PNG file there, which is a normal kind of image. But obviously, as I say, if you open this up in an image editing package as a PNG file, it won't remember all of these different components. This is just one sort of flat image, if you like. Whereas the PSD file, when you open that up in Photopea, you can go in and you can access all of the layers and things. Okay, so that kind of ends my little set of tutorials on creating a card. Hope you've learned something and enjoy working with Photopea.